Hello and welcome to Flutots. In this tutorial, we're gonna be looking at how to use distance constraints and how you can use them to have these pushable objects in your artboard. This tutorial is gonna be fairly easy. Let's get started. So when we select our objects, on the right panel here, we have constraints. So we go ahead and add the distance. And once we do that, we have this outline, and this is defining the distance between the objects. And we can control that from here. We're not going to do that now. And to control the distance, we have to set a target. So our target is going to be logo. See, when we do that, the outline snaps to the center of the logo. Now when we move our logo inside of the orange guy, nothing happens. And the further we go, it's going to follow it. It's like a null object. When we change that to further, this will allow us to push the object, but when we go further away, nothing happens. The last option is exact. This one does both the close mode and the further one. So it's following the logo and also allowing it to push the orange guy. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. It's fairly easy and straightforward. See you in the next one. Take care.